Silver is not just a shiny metal. It is one of the most powerful wealth protection assets during inflation, currency crisis, and financial resets. Gold protects wealth, but silver has the power to grow it faster. Welcome to the 5-Year Billionaire, where we focus on smart assets, long-term thinking, and real economics. Today, I'll explain 10 easy ways to invest in silver, even if you're a beginner. 1. Physical silver coins and bars. This is the simplest and safest way to invest in silver. You buy 999 purity silver coins or bars and hold them yourself. No apps, no banks, no counterparty risk. If currencies lose value, physical silver keeps purchasing power. This method is best for long-term investors. Inflation protection, wealth safety. The downside is storage and liquidity, but for protection, nothing beats physical silver. This is how people survive past financial crises. To silver ETFs. Silver ETFs allow you to invest in silver without owning it physically. You buy ETF units through a stock market app, and their price moves with silver prices. This is one of the easiest options for beginners. Best for easy buying and selling, no storage headache, transparent pricing. ETFs are ideal if you want silver exposure while staying fully digital. 3. Digital silver. Digital silver lets you buy silver in very small amounts. Your money is backed by physical silver stored in secure vaults. You can invest daily, weekly, or monthly. Best for young investors, low capital habit building. Some platforms even allow conversion into physical silver later. It's modern, simple, and flexible. For silver mining stocks, instead of buying silver, you buy companies that produce silver. When silver prices rise, mining company profits can rise much faster, giving higher returns. But this also increases risk. This option is best for stock market investors, high risk tolerance, growth-focused strategy. Remember, mining stocks depend on management, costs, and regulations, not just silver price. 5. Silver mutual funds. Silver mutual funds invest in silver ETFs, mining companies' related assets. You don't choose anything. Professionals manage it for you. Best for passive investors, long-term planning, less market involvement. Returns may be lower than direct investments, but risk is also spread out. 6. Silver futures and options. This is a trading method, not investing. Futures allow you to control large silver value with small capital using leverage. Profits can be big, but losses can wipe you out fast. This is not for beginners, highly risky, short-term focus. Only experienced traders should consider this. 7. Silver SIP monthly investment plans. Some platforms offer monthly silver investment plans. You invest a fixed amount every month, just like SIP and mutual funds. This reduces risk through price averaging. Best for disciplined long-term wealth building. 5-year mindset. Small, consistent investments can create big value over time. 8. Silver jewelry. Smart buying only. Silver jewelry can be an investment if bought wisely. The problem is making charges and wastage. But if purity is high and charges are low, it can store value. Best if you want utility plus investment. Long-term holding. High purity jewelry not ideal for pure investment, but better than idle cash. 9. Silver as portfolio hedge. Smart investors don't bet everything on one asset. They keep 10 to 20% of their portfolio in silver to protect against inflation, currency devaluation, economic shocks. Silver balances risk and protects purchasing power. This is how wealth is preserved, not gambled. Long-term holding. Billionaire thinking. Silver rewards patience, not panic. Short-term prices move a lot, but long-term silver performs best during economic stress. Most wealth is created by holding assets through cycles. This is the 5-Year Billionaire mindset. Think long-term, own real assets. Stay ahead of the system. Silver is not about getting rich overnight. It's about staying rich when systems fail. Subscribe to the 5-Year Billionaire because the future belongs to people who prepare, not panic.